Okay, so my name is Makini and this is Form 4 Greek. And today we're going to discuss the topic support and movement in animals. So we're going to be looking at the endoskeleton, and there are 3 types of skeleton. So who can name the 3 types of skeleton? Yes. Endoskeleton, what?
Exoskeleton.
Yes, Tiffany. Yes, those are the 3. And today we're going to be focusing on the endoskeleton, which is divided into 2. The appendicular and the axial. Okay, so we're going to now focus on the axial skeleton. So the axial skeleton has 3 parts. Who can name the 3 parts of the axial skeleton? Yes, Safia. The skull, the sternum and the ribcage. And the last one. Yes, Walid. Yes. So we're going to now look at the vertebral column. So the vertebral column consists of bones called the vertebrae, and there are 5 types. So which are the 5 types of bones? Yes, Crystal? The cervical vertebrae, chin type, the caudal vertebrae, the thoracic, yes, then lumbar, okay. Then Dina? The sacral. So those are the 5. And to discuss the first one, we're going to have Chimitai and Dina. So Chimitai will come first, then Dina.